Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to find your older call history on an iPhone. Now on an iPhone, if you scroll to the bottom of your call log, it's blank. You're not seeing the older numbers that you have called or which have called you. So how do you fix this? Scroll to the extreme bottom of your call log, and the last numbers that you're seeing, you're gonna delete a few numbers, right? It's gonna be maybe 2, 3, 4, it doesn't really matter. Delete a few, right? And you're gonna realize that while deleting a few numbers, you're gonna see the older numbers that have called you or which you have called before popping up. So if these aren't the numbers that you're looking for, you keep deleting, and the numbers that have called you or which you have called will keep popping up. So this is how you solve this issue. I hope this video was informative to you. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe.